Welcome to Cooking Frog. Today's special? A sensational blackened chicken sandwich with Alabama white barbecue sauce. Let's begin with the Alabama white sauce. In a bowl, combine 1 1/4 cups of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of creamy horseradish, the juice and zest of 1 lime, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 2 teaspoons of hot sauce, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and half a teaspoon each of garlic and onion powder. Add salt and pepper to your liking. Whisk it all together until it's perfectly smooth. There, your Alabama white barbecue sauce is ready. Time to season the chicken tenders. Drizzle them with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Combine 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper, and a teaspoon each of onion powder, garlic powder, ground black pepper, and sea salt. Don't forget half a teaspoon each of dried basil, oregano, and thyme. Give those tenders a hearty rub with this mix. Remember, if you're not sneezing, you ain't seasoning right. Heat up a pan over medium-high with 2 tablespoons of olive oil and lay in the seasoned chicken tenders. Cook them for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. You're aiming for that perfect blackened chicken crust. Keep an eye on the internal temperature. Once it hits 165 degrees, you've nailed it. Juicy on the inside, crisp and flavorful on the outside. For the Buns buttery crown, melt a 1/4 cup of butter, then stir in 1 tablespoon of finely minced fresh rosemary and 1 minced garlic clove. This aromatic trio will give your buns a luxurious finish. First, brush the cut side of your sandwich rolls with the prepared garlic rosemary butter. Pop them under the broiler in the oven until they turn golden and toasty. After the inside is perfectly toasted, don't forget the tops. Give them the same buttery treatment, brushing the outer surface with your garlic rosemary butter. Broil them until they're just as golden and tempting. This extra step ensures every part of your bun brings flavor and texture to your Alabama white blackened chicken sandwich. Layer the chicken tenders on the toasted bottom bun, add shredded lettuce, and generously drizzle with Alabama white sauce. Quick note, I forgot to add the dill pickle slices while filming, but I made sure to tuck them in later for that crucial crunch. If you've enjoyed this recipe, dive deeper into flavor at cookingfrog.com for more culinary adventures. And don't forget to subscribe here on YouTube to stay updated with our delicious creations.